I'm a Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. Basically, I want to talk about the Panchakarmas. Panchakarma is a basic treatment modality in the field of Ayurveda. Panchakarma, there are five karmas. These are the five therapies which are done in Ayurvedic medicines. These are as follows. The first is Vaman, second is Virechan, third is Nasya, fourth is Basti, and fifth is Rakta Mokshan. I would like to highlight one of the Panchakarma, that is Nasya. In Ayurveda, it is mentioned that Nasya means Shirovirechan. The alternative word for Nasya is Shirovirechan. Shirovirechan because it does all the toxin, it excretes all the toxin from the nose. Now, this Nasya Karma has got a very important shloka mentioned in Ayurveda. Nasya Nasa Shiraso Dwaram. This means that Nasya means the only route towards the brain, the internal cavity of the brain, is said to be nose. There is no other direct opening other than nose in our human body. That's why in Ayurveda it is an ancient medicine. The Nasya has got a very good and importance. Now there are different types of Nasya. The selection of Nasya is done according to the doshas. As you must be aware of, in Ayurveda there are three important doshas according to the human body. The first is Vata, second is Pitta, third is Kapha. So according to the doshas, we select the person and accordingly we give the Nasya. If the dosha is a Vata type, we give Vata. There is a medicated oil. We select the medicated oil according to the dosha. Also, there are combined sort of dosha. Suppose a person might be containing a dosha of two. His physical structure may be accompanied by the two doshas, that is Vata and Pitta. So accordingly there is a selection of oil, that is medicated oil or any medicated herbs that we put in the nose. Now there are different steps to go for the Nasya Karma. Nasya Karma is done like before, as you go for any operation, you do preparation of the patient for the operation, like preparing him with all the reports standard, and then it is taken for the main operative procedures. In this, the pre-operative, that means pre-therapy, we do the Snehan and Sham, Snehan and Swedan. So what is the meaning of Snehan? Snehan is a you can say, like Snehan means the whole body we put we do, you can say we do a Ayurvedic massage. After doing the Ayurvedic massage for say 4 to 5 days, then we start with the main karma, that is Nasya. This procedure, there are different steps of Nasya, like you can say the Nasya karma should be done according to the Prakriti and all, as I said earlier. So you can do Nasya for 4 days, 7 days, or 10 days, depending upon the condition of the patient. Now, the important is what are the benefits a person gets after doing this Nasya Karma. The first and the important benefits is that, as I said, Nasya, with the help of Nasya, you can balance all the three doshas of our body, and also the nervous system is balanced. As you know that there are five senses we have got. This all five senses are detoxified, they are rejuvenated. Also, Nasya is very important for persons who are suffering from headache, migraine, epilepsy, all throat infections, nose infections, eyes infections, ear infections. So all the sensory related things which are all, you can, so in Ayurveda that is mentioned as Shiro Roga, that is all our illness related to our head, all are very much benefited by the procedure of Nasya. So this is in short I explained about Nasya. Thank you very much. If there are any queries, you can call or you can contact. My name is Dr. Ravindra Gangwani and my number is 9822276660. I repeat, 9822276660. Thank you. Have a nice day.